portal vein. Basta yung vascular po na maliit, artery po yun. Ha? Try to loop, tapos
Dirigis kasi ilaw. Pag mo lang yun ay kung pag-iman.
okay, nasira po siya, pero this is your artery. Okay, this is photic artery. Photic artery po yan. Nasira po ito. Okay. Okay, look here. That's big. Okay, this is your duct, and this part will be the artery. Portal triad, portal area. Again, on this sa gilid ng hepatic lobule. That's your set. Sa gilid po ang maghanap po kayo sa gilid. So that's your central vein towards the periphery, portal area, portal triad. This is another portal area. This one is your duct. Okay, yung malaki po ay vein, portal vein. Yung muscular ay artery. Okay, what will be the significance? The portal area. So this is where the blood supply of the liver will come from. The blood supply of the liver coming from two blood vessels, the portal vein and the hepatic arteries. Okay, this will be mentioned in your lecture. Again, please take note that the portal vein supplying about 70% of the blood supply to the liver, and the remaining 30% will come from the hepatic artery. What? Okay. Another clinical so during your lecture it will be mentioned the liver will be categorized into 3 zones: zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3. Okay? Zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3. Near the portal area will be the zone 1, and near the central vein will be the zone 3. Okay, the guide again. Dapat naka-identify muna kayo ng central vein. Like this. Stand up po para makita nyo.
Correct.
Okay, if this is your central vein, okay, sabi natin kanina, classical hepatic lobule is hexagonal in shape. Ayun, hexagonal. And on the sides, the periphery, you will see the portal area. Portal point po yan. On the side, you can see the portal area here. So, gilid, diba? So, central vein. Zone 1, Zone 2, Zone 3. So, near the portal area will be the zone 1, and near the central vein will be the zone 3. Again, what will be the significance? So zone 1 receives the most oxygen. So this is the best. Between comparing these two, so this one will receive the most oxygen, while zone 3 will receive this oxygen is being received here. Right? So between zone 1 and zone 3, which do you think is more prone to ischemic injury? Of course, the answer will be zone 3. Tama? So it's one possible side question during the practical. So remember, zone 1 receives the most oxygen, and zone 3 receives the least oxygen. How do you differentiate? Your guide will be, if it is near the central vein, zone 3. If it is near the portal area, it is zone 1. Okay na? So again, what structures to identify for the lever? So identify the capsule, this is the capsule. Identify the central vein. Identify the parenchyma. Review again the description of the liver cells or hepatocytes. Look for the portal area. Identify the three structures: portal vein, hepatic artery, and bile duct. Hepatocytes, try to focus it in high power. So identify the vascular space. Identify the whole copper cells. Okay na? So those are the structures to look for. The slide of liver. Next slide will be gallbladder number 16. Scanner view. Okay, don't be surprised if you will see a part of the liver. So this is liver. Organ closely associated with the gallbladder. And the visceral surface of the liver will be the gallbladder.
Right.
So kung kayo mabibigla, bakit may liver to? Diba? Hindi po ito ipofocus natin this part. So here. We have 4 layers to identify: the mucosa, the fibromuscular coat, the perimuscular layer, and the tunica adventitia or tunica serosa. Okay, this part of the liver, this part of the gallbladder which is attached to the liver, we call it as your tunica serosa part. Tunica adventitia, sorry, tunica adventitia. But you will notice in some slides, wala po siyang, there's a part na hindi siya attached sa liver that will be your tunica serosa. Okay. So let's focus it. Higher multiplication. So this is the lining epithelium. The lining epithelium, we call it as your simple columnar epithelium. Again, so the mucosa, the lining epithelium, we call it as a simple columnar epithelium. And after that, you can see the lamina propria. See, the lamina propria is a loose connective tissue, but you could see here that there's the presence of invaginations here. So must know, if you see this, is the landmark for identifying the organ gallbladder. Here. Invaginations of the lamina propria, we call it as your Rokitansky, Ashkoff sinuses. Rokitansky, spelled as Rokitansky. Rokitansky. Or RA sinuses, tawag na qualified spell. Find na kami RA sinus. So identify again the mucosa, identify the lining epithelium, identify the lamina propria. Within the lamina propria, you can see this RA sinus. Okay? The next layer will be your perimuscular. Ito po yung mga layers, ha? The next layer here will be your perimuscular.